Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome compact EDC flashlight from Wurkkos. This is the FC11C. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome flashlight from Wurkkos and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Wurkkos for sending me this flashlight to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this flashlight. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a quick look at them side by side vertically so you can compare the thickness of these guys. Let's take a rough measurement here from end to end. Looks like we got just about 4 3/4 inches overall length. Here's a quick size reference for the body diameter. Here it is next to a US quarter, so about the same diameter as that. And now over to the front of the flashlight, here is a US dime, and that is about the same size as the lens there. Let's get this flashlight on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at just about 4 ounces. And if you're wondering what 4 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, it weighs almost as much as 5 of those. In the box, you're going to get a USB to USB-C charging cable and a lanyard. Also a couple of replacement O-rings so you can keep your waterproofing intact. And of course, you're going to get the flashlight housing along with the 18650 3000 milliamp battery. Alright guys, this flashlight comes in a ton of different color variations if you didn't like this burnt orange color, but I like it because it's easy to see in low light situations. If somebody kind of shine their light on, you can see how it picks up the light, but they got blue, black, green, red, all those other different colors. Housing is made of 6061 aircraft grade aluminum. Waterproof rating is IP67, so this is 100% dustproof and can stay submerged in about a meter of water for about 30 minutes. Battery fits in the back. Here's a closer look at your tail cap. Little hole right here, so you can thread that lanyard through. Tail cap is also magnetic. Let's work our way down the flashlight housing. Look at the milling that they've done here. There's a look at your pocket clip there. Look at this milling in here. Gorgeous. Right, we have a side switch. When you turn it on and you're fully charged, it'll be green. That flash is red. You better turn this thing around and charge it. Here's your USB-C charging port here. Ooh, that's a good cover. All right, there it is there. And again, they've milled out a flat portion on here. So if you're wondering where the side switch is, you just feel for the flat, and that's where the button's at. Absolutely gorgeous milling. Look at that. Beautiful flashlight. And guys, really quick, just listen to how this button clicks. You're going to be able to clearly hear that in the demo when we get outside. Very firm, not mushy at all. Very responsive. Here's a quick look at what this flashlight is going to look like when you dunk it down into your pocket. Sticks up just a little bit. Now over to the front of the flashlight. Very low profile bezel. Orange peel reflector in there, so we're going to have a very soft dispersed beam of light. More flood than spot. The emitter being used down there is a Nietzsche F519A. The color on this one's going to be 4000 Kelvin. They do come in 5000 if you want something a little bit more white. And with the battery combination and this emitter, you can get up to 1200 lumens on turbo. Let's have a look at those. All right, guys, here is a look at Eco 5 lumens. And you can see how the light is very soft and dispersed. It's not a very distinctive circle in the middle. And you can kind of see the warmth of that 4000 Kelvin color. And we wouldn't be able to see this outside, but this is really going to enable you to read something without blowing out your vision. Again, 5 lumens. Once again, guys, this has been the Wurkkos FC11C. Small, compact, easy to carry around, easy to use, and is capable of putting out incredibly bright light. If you're looking for a new EDC flashlight, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome flashlight, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.